Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share few important things regarding Pitta dosha and how to balance Pitta. Pitta is one of the three doshas or primary functional energies in the body. The word Pitta is derived from the Sanskrit word Tapa, that means to heat. Pitta is associated with Agni or fire and Jala or water, key elements of nature or Mahabhutas. So it is liquid fire. Pittam sasneha tishnoshnam lagu visram saram dhravam are the qualities of Pitta. Pitta is slightly oily, penetrating, hot, light, odorous, free-flowing and liquid. Pitta governs digestion, maintenance of body temperature, visual perception, color and complexion of the skin, intellect and emotions. Balanced Pitta will have increased focus, problem-solving abilities and confidence. The three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha when at optimum level help to ensure good health. Normally, Pitta type person will have very strong metabolism. They digest quickly and have strongest power of digestion. They can eat anything. Usually they love hot, sour, salty, spicy foods. Their metabolism runs on hot side and they tend to be hot-blooded. They have warm skin, hands and feet. An imbalance in Pitta dosha gives rise to unhealthy physical and emotional symptoms. Vitiated Pitta can cause 40 diseases. Now let us see causes for Pitta imbalance. Exposure to Pitta provoking diets, that is hot, sour, salty and pungent foodstuffs. Excessive consumption of processed or deep fried foods. Too much exposure or overworking under hot sun. Exposure to too many chemicals. Consuming stimulants like coffee, tea, alcohol and nicotine. Emotional or physical stress. Let us see the signs and symptoms of increased Pitta or vitiated Pitta. There are physical and mental or psychological symptoms. First, let us discuss the physical symptoms of increased Pitta. There will be increased hunger or thirst, acid reflux, indigestion, heartburn, ulcers, infections, early graying of hair or loss of hair, hormonal imbalance, giddiness, hot flushes, acne, eczema, dermatitis, bad breath, increased body odor, fever, excessive sweat, inflammation of joints, sore throat, nausea, insomnia, poor vision, tenderness in breast and testicles, painful or heavy menstruation. Same way, vitiated Pitta can cause psychological symptoms or mental symptoms like anger, impatience, frustration, inflated ego, jealous, sense of instability. How to balance Pitta? Lifestyle correction. Balance between activity and rest. Neither indulge too much in activity or too much rest. In Pitta, Agni or digestive fire is very high. Take proper food in proper time and proper quantity. Meditation is the best way to pacify mental symptoms of aggravated Pitta. Regarding food, it should be cold over warm or hot things. Nourishing, light, almost bland food should be taken in place of heavy, spicy food. Mild drinks like coconut water, fresh fruit juice over hard ones like alcohol or caffeine-based drink. Sweet, bitter and astringent tastes. Madura, Tikta or Kashaya pacifies Pitta. This type of foods over salty, sour and pungent foodstuffs. Avoid drinking water just before and immediately after the meal. Here I have given some examples of few food items which helps to pacify Pitta. Let us see one by one. Fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables are best to control Pitta dosha, but they should be of sweet, bitter or astringent taste. Examples are apples, coconut, dates, pomegranate, melons, figs, grapes, banana, amla. And in vegetables, leafy vegetables, okra or lady's finger, cucumber, pumpkin, ash gourd, bottle gourd, cauliflower, etc. In grains, best Pitta pacifying grains are rice, finger millet, barley, oats, millets and wheat. Among legumes, legumes are usually astringent in nature and help to pacify Pitta. Almost all legumes Pitta people can use. For example, moong dal and chickpeas are the best legumes. Among nuts and seeds, coconut, sunflower and sesame are best to pacify Pitta dosha. Among milk and milk products, Desi cow's ghee is one of the best pacifier of Pitta. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee per day in your diet. Along with Desi cow's ghee, you can also use Desi cow's milk, butter and buttermilk. Milk should be cold. Among oils, coconut oil and olive oil are best for Pitta dosha. Among sweeteners, Pitta persons can use all sweeteners because sweet pacifies Pitta, but they should avoid honey and molasses. Among spices, Pitta persons can use only few spices. They are coriander, fennel, cardamom, cumin, mint and turmeric. Friends, these are all the basic guidelines to manage Pitta dosha. Depending upon the place, climate, temperature, body type, food habit, you can adjust accordingly. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.